Oh, welcome, welcome. Welcome, everyone. I'm Lottie Ann. I had to turn that off. Welcome. And as you can see, this is my living room. Why I have all these products in my living room, it's because I sell on Whatnot. So, Whatnot is a really great platform to sell your crochet items. See, I have everything from that way to, well, I'm kind of like blocking, but it's just a little area of my spot in my live shows on Whatnot. And I tell you what, my review on Whatnot is I don't have to pay booth fees when I do my markets. And I'm actually um, selling, and I only started 4 weeks ago. So I think I sold like 30 products already from my inventory. But anyway, I want to keep this short because I just I wanted to come online and let you guys know how I feel about selling online. And it's a perfect platform. Whatnot is a perfect app to sell your crochet items. All right, so I want to show you guys uh, some of the things that I've been making. I made a squishy. I made a squishy ball. Check it out. And it's a keychain. It's a squishy keychain. And here's another one. And I will be selling this on Whatnot. So if you guys want to check me out, um, and if you want to become a seller, click on the link below this video and get started. And watch how you sell your crochet items. Right? Talk to you guys later. Bye.